Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to talk about high-fiber meal recipes for weight loss. Fiber is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. It helps regulate digestion, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and promotes weight loss. A high-fiber diet can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll be sharing 6 high-fiber meal recipes that are perfect for weight loss. These recipes are not only healthy and delicious but also easy to prepare. What is fiber? Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be broken down by the body. Instead, it passes through the digestive system intact. There are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to the stool. Why is fiber important for weight loss? Fiber is important for weight loss because it helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Additionally, fiber-rich foods tend to be low in calories, which can help you stay within your daily calorie limit. A high-fiber diet also promotes healthy digestion, which can improve overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Recipe 1. Quinoa and black bean salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed and drained, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 yellow bell pepper, diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 avocado, diced, 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let cool. 2. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa, black beans, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and cilantro. 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lime juice, cumin, salt, and pepper. 4. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. 5. Serve chilled. Recipe 2. Chickpea and spinach curry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 cup vegetable broth, 2 cups spinach, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large saucepan, heat the coconut oil over medium heat. 2. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and sauté for 5 minutes or until the onion is soft and translucent. 3. Add the cumin, coriander, and turmeric and sauté for an additional minute. 4. Add the chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth and bring to a simmer. 5. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened slightly. 6. Add the spinach and stir until wilted. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve hot with brown rice. Recipe 3. Lentil soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 cup red lentils, rinsed and drained, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 cups chopped kale, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the onion and garlic and sauté for 5 minutes, or until the onion is soft and translucent. 3. Add the cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika and sauté for an additional minute. 4. Add the lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes and bring to a boil. 5. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. 6. Add the kale and stir until wilted. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 8. Serve hot. Recipe 4. Chickpea and sweet potato stew. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 sweet potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 4 cups vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the onion and garlic and sauté for 5 minutes, or until the onion is soft and translucent. 3. Add the cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika and sauté for an additional minute. 4. Add the sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and vegetable broth and bring to a boil. 5. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are tender. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve hot. Recipe 5. Whole wheat pasta with broccoli and garlic. Ingredients: 8 ounces whole wheat pasta, 2 cups broccoli florets, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, Parmesan cheese for serving, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to package instructions and drain. 2. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 3. Add the broccoli and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes, or until tender. 4. Add the garlic and sauté for an additional minute. 5. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and toss to combine. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve hot with grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. Recipe 6. Berry and yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup mixed berries, 1/4 cup granola, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together the Greek yogurt and honey. 2. In a glass or parfait dish, layer the yogurt mixture, mixed berries, and granola. 3. Repeat until all ingredients are used up, ending with a layer of mixed berries. 4. Serve immediately. Conclusion: fiber is an important nutrient that can help with weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. These high-fiber meal recipes are not only nutritious, but also delicious and easy to make. Incorporating these meals into your diet can help you reach your weight loss goals while also promoting overall health and wellness. Remember to always choose whole, minimally processed foods and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Happy cooking and enjoy your high-fiber meals. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.